Would you like better rear-view visibility when touring in your motorhome? Falcon are now offering a twin rear-view camera, delivering excellent picture quality to a monitor that simply clips onto your motorhome's rear-view mirror. Enjoy a safer drive with full visibility. Life made easy by Falcon.
Thank you for considering Falcon for the installation of your new equipment. Why not visit us in the beautiful Cheshire countryside and have your installation completed while you relax and enjoy what this lovely part of the world has to offer. We are just a short 5-mile drive from Junction 10 of the M56 motorway. Falcon have made the installation process like no other, offering you a professional, quick service in a true camping environment. We offer one night of camping completely free of charge while the engineers get to work on your installation, giving you peace of mind that everything will be working perfectly before you hit the road again. Try out your new equipment in a true camping environment. Hill Farm offers showers, washing and toilet facilities of the highest standard, less than 50 metres away from the campsite. You will have access to an electrical hookup during your overnight stay, as well as free Wi-Fi and fresh water. Pets are of course welcome, and there are plenty of scenic countryside walks to enjoy. Cycle or walk along the canal with the reward of a delicious pub lunch or a refreshing pit stop at a quaint little tea house, offering the finest homemade cakes and a variety of teas. Alternatively, why not enjoy a day out? Hill Farm offer a friendly shuttle service dropping you off at our local village, Frodsham, where the train will take you into the main cities. Frodsham boasts lovely pubs, cafes, as well as excellent water sports facilities. Experience the thrill of being towed behind a speedboat, gliding across the water on a wakeboard, or relax while kayaking up and down the beautiful river. Delamere Forest is also accessible from Frodsham train station. Wander through heavy woodland and get lost in nature. Walk up Old Pale Hill and look out over the Cheshire Plains. The views are spectacular. Delamere really is a lovely day out for everyone. Anderton Boat Lift is one for the canal boat enthusiasts. This famous attraction is easily accessible by bicycle or by walking. Less than 2 miles away from Anderton Boat Lift is Marbury Park. Marbury is famous for its walks, bike rides and picnics by the lake. It even has a lovely outdoor pool to enjoy on a hot summer's day. After enjoying your day at Marbury Park, head over to the other side of the lake where you will find the beautiful little village of Great Budworth. Here you will find a stunning traditional pub called the Georgian Dragon, offering delicious food and drink. If you have never been to Chester, it's a must. As one of the oldest cities in the UK, history lies around every corner. For those who are a little less interested in history and more interested in a bargain on big brands, Cheshire Oaks is the place for you. A huge outlet full of the best high street brands, restaurants and cinema. Next door to Cheshire Oaks is Chester Zoo. You may have seen recently in the news, Chester Zoo has welcomed the birth of a precious white rhino. Go and see this beautiful endangered animal for yourself. You will soon come to realise that there is plenty to do within a close proximity of Hill Farm, and one day may not be enough. In which case you may decide to treat yourself to a short break and visit the Lake District or Snowdonia National Park, both within 50 miles of Hill Farm. Falcon is a family-run company established in 1991. Chris, Colette and the team will make you feel welcome and provide a 5-star service you won't forget in a hurry. Thank you for watching our short video. We are confident you will enjoy the whole experience here at Hill Farm, and we very much look forward to welcoming you.